Yeah.
It's clean though.
It is. The
GMC.
paint is mint.
It's nice, man. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
So guys, let me show you guys. If you want to spend hella money in your car,
Yep.
buy this shit.
That is it. Yeah.
You won't go nowhere though. But yeah.
That was shots at Gio, right?
Yeah. Gio would have been right here.
Yeah.
This park. Shout out to Gio. That's a super fun.
Oh, look at this. Roll.
That one was right there. I was like, here, bro. Meant.
That interior is tough though, I ain't gonna lie.
Some old school shit.
Yeah.
That's an old school
Slam me
right
on
there.
slam me on some TEs, you heard? Slam me on some TEs.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's clean.
That's when he bought it for the first time. Of course, we having that shit when they first bought it. They be having like the stickers and shit. That's what makes it unique.
Yeah.
They sell that shit.
Look at this vet.
Bro, I would help somebody like, I put that shit up. I remember at Wolfsburg, there was a line, I swear, and they let me
People
in.
take care of these cars.
That, yeah.
Got a few Hellcats over here. See?
Supercharger.
Yo. So officials are SRT.
Still wearing mine. That shit big as fuck, bro.
Isn't it?
That's what it sounds like, bro. They need to, like, they need to, get back to you. Like, you gotta
Get a 392 handle right here.
What's this guy?
This blue is tough, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes,
Got another Hellcat here. SRT.
Where's the turbo? Where's the turbo? You know that shit cool.
And look at this. Look at the seats on this car.
Hello, Amy.
It's pretty cool.
Hi, Amy. How are you? Or Anna. Either one.
Jeez, look at that E46. It's an M3?
Yeah, that shit's tough. Bag.
Yeah. BVS wheels.
Hella bullet. And it's stick too.
It has a carbon hood. I think this is the hood from the M3 from Most Wanted. Yeah. Wheels are super minty too.
Yo, no. I think that's cat. I'll X that one. Is that a Prelude?
Yeah, I was just about to say.
Is that a Prelude? That apparently is gapping everybody.
We'll have to see.
But I never seen it.
Yeah, it's in good condition.
I sold my Prelude yesterday and I see one today.
Yeah, I just saw it. That's another story. This is question of the day. Is this stick shift? It is.
Oh, it is.
Oh my God! Wow!
Yeah. It's cool.
Why you put it in reverse? Prelude.
Prelude gang. Prelude and show, huh? It's in real good condition, bro. For the year and all. You can tell they take good care of the car.
But he's not static.
They got another Corvette.
BAP Japanese bills.
Ooh, what is it? Let's take a look at it. It has a front plate. Yeah.
He's right-hand drive too.
Ooh.
Never mind.
Right-hand drive.
Oh, he's aggressive, yeah.
I'm impressed.
Yeah. Wait, out.
Straight from Japan. We got a Miata here.
Whoa, what is this? A 20?
Damn, the interior on this Miata is real clean.
It'll be like 20 or 22.
Look at that Ferrari.
You know Randy? He's the owner of Lemonade.
Oh yeah, Randy. Yeah. He got a wide body one. He bought it in Japan.
Liberty Walk. That
Sounds crazy too.
Oh, the torsion bars are jacked up.
Keep the engine.
I love the sound of this car.
Yep. Can't be the sound of a Ferrari.
We gotta wait until everybody leaves so we see who we can get. How you put it in drive? I don't know. That's a good question. Don't tell me shit like a truck that you. Wait, how you put it? This be your button. So that button right there, the R is reverse. Reverse. You plug this in, put this in reverse. So this car is this one?
Yeah, it's pretty. This car is long, though.
Yeah. It smells like oil. Red oil.
Got a Civic here.
Where's the turbo at? The turbo is back there. Oh, no. How much you pushing?
Power?
Yeah.
Oh, 190. It's on the stock tune.
Oh, okay.
So this in particular, this is a 2018 Honda Civic Sport hatchback.
The color scheme on this is fire. It's like a pink and white.
You're gonna beat me.
You got a fire extinguisher in there too.
I'm not gonna keep up. I have 305 right now. Bro, he's by his house. He's like right next to his house.
Yeah, I told you, even if you like, if you have a plate, they're not gonna bother you. You gotta get the plate forever. They're not gonna run it for free.
He's dramatic as fuck, bro. He thinks like he's like stolen.
Got a Ford pickup truck here.
We just find random meats.
Look at this.
I hope today the meat we're going is lit. It might not be, but they want us to be with them. This trip.
Yo, that's the toughest Volkswagen here.
Sure, Gabby.
100%, bro.
Oh, I wanna do that. That dashboard like that.
This interior is clean.
Well, you know where I want to go race? Texas.
Yeah, he did rubber shit. Bags, no. Just bought. I kind of want to go back to mine. Should I? Hell yeah. Okay, bro, when you ever gonna see a bag type of nowhere? I mean, half of the Volkswagens are just static. I already own a Jeep. That's a GT.
The paint on the 7 Series. I'm telling you, bro, I'm about to get my first 1,000. No, official. This is going on OnlyFans.
Okay. Hold on. Yeah. Who to miss a gear?
There you go, guys. We're about to head to the gas station right now. Fill up the car with gas, and we're gonna head to another meet after.
And you always park next to me.
I always park next to you. What is it? It has to be a 535 because with all this, or 550.
I love mills.
Christian's Golf R here. If you guys remember from the last video, we reviewed it. Just got back from the meet. It was a great turnout. There was a lot of classic cars. We're gonna be heading to another meet later today. I'm gonna try to film it for you guys. I hope you guys liked the video, and to see more car content, subscribe to the channel. Please leave a like, and I'll catch you guys on the next time.